Creating a mystical, meditation-themed video using Videogen AI is a fascinating process that blends technology with creativity. Whether you're passionate about spiritual content or curious about the art of video creation, Videogen AI offers a unique platform to bring your visions to life, effortlessly guiding you through every step. In this detailed walkthrough, we'll explore how to use Videogen AI to craft an enchanting video centered on spirituality and meditation. Let's dive into the journey, step by step. Start by preparing your concept. For a mystical meditation video, reflect on the atmosphere you want to create. Do you imagine tranquil forests shrouded in mist, glowing symbols, or ethereal light? Define your video's purpose. Perhaps it's a guided meditation, an exploration of spiritual concepts, or a calming visual journey. Jot down your core message and the mood you hope to evoke, as this will inform your choices throughout the process. Once your concept is clear, head to the Videogen AI platform. It's easy to access through your web browser. I've dropped the link down below in the description so it's easy for you to find. Simply log in or create an account if you're new. Videogen AI greets you with a user-friendly dashboard designed for both beginners and experienced creators. On the dashboard, locate the Create New Video button and click to begin your project. Now, choose your video type. For a spiritual meditation-themed video, select a template that matches your vision. Videogen AI offers various categories. Look for ones labeled wellness, spirituality, meditation, or fantasy. These templates are crafted with atmospheric visuals and gentle transitions, perfect for a mystical theme. If you prefer full creative control, you can start from scratch with a blank canvas. Next, it's time to craft your script. The script is the heart of your video, guiding viewers through the experience. Videogen AI provides an AI-powered script generator. Enter keywords like guided meditation, spiritual awakening, fantasy landscape, or ethereal music. The tool will suggest sample text, which you can customize to match your style and message. If you're writing your own script, focus on sensory language and calming instructions. For example, invite viewers to close their eyes, take deep breaths, and visualize themselves surrounded by shimmering light or floating above a magical forest. Use phrases that evoke peace, wonder, and inner exploration. Once your script is ready, paste it into the Videogen AI editor and allow the system to analyze and sync it with your video structure. Now, move on to visuals. Videogen AI's asset library is a treasure trove of high-quality images, video clips, and animated elements. Search for keywords such as mystical, fantasy, meditation, spiritual glow, ancient symbols, or starry night. The platform will display a range of options, from tranquil waterfalls and enchanted woods to luminous mandalas and floating orbs. Drag and drop your chosen visuals onto the timeline, arranging them to match the flow of your script. If you want to personalize your video with unique footage, you can upload your own images or clips. Videogen AI supports most common formats, making it easy to incorporate your creative assets. For advanced users, experiment with layering effects, blend translucent images, add gentle particle animations, or adjust color filters to enhance the mystical vibe. Music and sound are key to setting the atmosphere. Videogen AI features an extensive audio library including ambient tracks, spiritual chants, and soothing nature sounds. Type in meditation music, fantasy ambient, or spiritual bells to browse the options. Select a track that complements your visuals and script, then drag it onto the audio timeline. Use fade-in and fade-out effects to ensure smooth transitions. If you wish, you can record a voiceover directly within Videogen AI, reading your script in a calm, steady tone. Transitions and effects can add a layer of magic to your video. Experiment with Videogen AI's built-in effects. Soft dissolves, light leaks, glowing overlays, and slow-motion transitions. These features help create a dreamy, immersive experience. For sections where you want viewers to pause and reflect, insert gentle fades or slow zooms. Highlight key messages by animating text or adding subtle sparkles. As you build your video, preview each section regularly using Videogen AI's instant playback feature. This allows you to see how visuals, audio, and text work together. Adjust timing as needed. If your meditation instructions need more space, lengthen the corresponding clips. If a transition feels abrupt, swap in a softer effect. The platform's intuitive controls make it easy to experiment and refine your masterpiece. Don't forget to add captions or subtitles. Videogen AI can generate them automatically based on your script, ensuring your message is accessible to all viewers. Customize the font, color, and placement to match your mystical theme, perhaps glowing white text over a dark, dreamy background. Once you're satisfied with your creation, move to the export stage. Videogen AI offers multiple export options, including high-definition formats suitable for YouTube, social media, or personal sharing. Review your video one last time, checking for any small errors or adjustments. When you're ready, click the Export button and wait as Videogen AI renders your final product. With your video complete, you can publish it directly from Videogen AI to popular platforms or download the file for offline sharing. The platform also supports scheduling, so you can set your video to go live at the optimal time for your audience. If you want to keep your viewers engaged, consider adding a personal message at the end, thanking them for their time and inviting them to subscribe or follow for more spiritual content. For those eager to take their creativity even further, explore Videogen AI's advanced features. Try out AI-generated voiceovers in different tones, experiment with cinematic color grading, or use multi-track editing for more complex projects. Videogen AI is designed to grow with you, unlocking new possibilities as your skills develop. Remember, the key to a captivating spiritual meditation video lies in authenticity and intention. Use Videogen AI's tools to let your message shine. Whether it's guiding viewers to inner peace, illuminating ancient wisdom, or simply inviting them to pause and breathe. With every step, the platform empowers you to transform your ideas into inspiring, mystical experiences. Ready to begin your journey? Try Videogen AI today. Link below.